Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to do a brief demonstration of Landingi's landing page builder. Now, this is not going to be an in-depth tutorial, but it should just give you an idea of how the landing page builder actually works. All right, let's get started. Now, you can go ahead and pick any of these templates if you want. But for this video, I'm going to build a landing page from scratch, so I'm going to pick the blank template. And I'm going to pretend that I'm a personal trainer who's building a landing page to get more clients. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and make a nice little background. Now, as you can see, you can drag and drop all the elements you want to incorporate into your landing pages. So it's pretty easy to work with. I'm going to add a form. All right, and there you have it. It's my landing page. Now keep in mind, I'm just kind of throwing this together for demonstrational purposes. If you are a personal trainer, I would recommend that you put together something that looks a little bit more professional and spend a little bit more time actually building your landing page in the first place. All right, so this is what the desktop view looks like. You can also check out the mobile view as well. And you may have to rearrange some of your elements just a little bit in the mobile view to make it fit. But other than that, there you have it.